2017 Ram 2500 Laramie Cummins with less than 50,000 miles. Hi everyone, this is Carter, and I'm the owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Yeah, that's green. It's not black, right? It's the, what do they call it, the dark pearl green or something like that? I don't quite remember. Beautiful truck. One owner, clear Carfax, completely stock, independently inspected. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. That's free to you. You can upgrade it very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of financing, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. We can have you in and out of the office under 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you all day like the big box dealers. Gosh, we sell so many into Bismarck, Mandan, and they say they can literally drive to Dickinson, test drive, do the paperwork, and be home before they're in and out of the dealers down there. So we're fast. 20 minutes if you're pre-approved. Everything's all set to go. But yeah, beautiful truck. Super clean, completely stock. One owner. He bought it in Utah. He moved to Dickinson. Heated cooled seats, heated back seats, Alpine, navigation, remote start, phone hookups. Yeah, it's pretty much loaded up. Got everything but the sunroof. But pretty much all the Laramie options on it. He did put Firestone bags, I believe, in it. They're the manual ones. Power rear slider, hard tonneau, flip up. It has the fifth wheel prep package. I'm assuming that he pulled something with it since he put the airbags in it. Tires are deep. We just changed the oil. We just paid for detail on it. This truck is ready to rock and roll. Something we don't do is have hidden fees. We have real prices on our vehicles. You're gonna find this truck advertised $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 less than what we're asking, but you're not gonna drive their truck away for that money, unless there's something wrong with it or it's really beat up. So many dealers are going to hidden fees. They don't tell you about it until you get there. Us, the price you see is the price you pay. You can literally drive it away for the price on the window. We do have a $145 dock fee. That's disclosed. No surprises there. So let's recap. 17, 49,000 miles, one owner, clear Carfax, independently inspected, free 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty, fresh oil change, fresh reconditioning, completely stock, and no hidden fees, and super fast financing. That is the Autorama advantage. Come and experience it.